Hello, my name is Dr. Nathalie Beauchamp and I'm a wellness chiropractor, and I'm here today interviewing Deborah MacDonald, who is a wellness consultant. And what we're going to talk about today is a new product that has been on the market for over a year, but the research is just coming out on how fantastic this product is, and it's called OsteoDens. Deborah, why don't you start explaining a little bit more about the product?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. The company is actually Nikan that is distributing the product, and it's been produced by Dr. Naidu. And he has done over 25 years of research on this bioreplenishment called lactoferrin, and he's taken lactoferrin and enhanced it and put it into a formulation that actually is a non-drug solution for osteoporosis. And the thing is that 1 out of 4 Canadian women over the age of 50 are being hit with osteoporosis, and 1 out of 8 men. So it's really starting to become almost an epidemic, or whatever we might want to call it, but it's serious. So what happens is there are solutions in terms of drugs, but this is a non-drug solution and it has no side effects. So we're really looking at rebuilding bone tissue and making sure that bone loss is not happening. Now, you are a wellness chiropractor, so you see this every single day, and I know that it's just resonated for you, and your patients are embracing it.
Exactly. Well, one thing I think we should explain to people is that bones are not static. You need bone formation, and you need bone to disintegrate, for lack of a better word. So absorption and, the eating away of the bone. And the activity is called osteoblastic activity, which is building bone, and the other one, to reduce the bone density, is osteoclastic. And you need balance between the two. And often what happens, Deborah, is that the drugs are indeed stopping the osteoclast activity, but they're not increasing the osteoblastic activity, so the bone formation. So the bones are still brittle and may lead to fracture. So that's what's so great about this product.
Fantastic. So, but the thing is that osteo drugs are there. People are taking them, but there are some serious side effects, and people are dealing with the side effects now. What have you seen in your practice?
Well, that's a very good question, and I have for philosophy, if you can do something naturally, you should always start with that. And a lot of time, I think, is that people are not aware that there is a natural solution, so it's just a matter of educating the public on the fact that there's no side effect, like, a lot of nasty side effect, for lack of a better term, in terms of those drugs, because any medication has a side effect.
Exactly.
One thing that I think we should mention as well is that OsteoDens is not a calcium supplement.
That's a very good point.
I explain to my patient, it's just like, the OsteoDens is the bus that brings the calcium to your bone, okay? So you also need a calcium supplement, but all those, that patent formula helps you absorb the bone calcium properly.
Exactly. And the other thing to point out too is that Dr. Naidu has been published in the International Osteoporosis Journal. So that is huge, and that is why a lot of health practitioners, as well as the medical professionals, are taking a very, very serious look at this. So we're really pleased that Dr. Naidu has chosen Nikan to distribute it, and to really educate people on this opportunity.
Exactly. Like, I know I carry OsteoDens for my patient as a different source for their wellness need, but Deborah, can you tell us where people can find more information online on OsteoDens?
Yes, you could actually go to my website, which is greenwellnessliving.com, and all you have to do is click on Lifestyle Solutions, and you will get to our vitamin program and our bioreplenishment program. And also you can find it here at your clinic at Beauchamp Chiropractic here in Orleans, or online at drnataliebeauchamp.ca.
Thank you so much, Deborah. I hope this segment was interesting for you, and that you've learned different ways to reach wellness. So until next time, this is Dr. Nathalie Beauchamp, and I look forward to talking with you again.